Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.88. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a loss of 59.85%. This equates to an average daily loss of 5.44% since it was classified as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significantly broad and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but instances of false breaks and sell-offs may arise. Nevertheless, a further decline appears plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $9.35 are viewed as a second chance to exit the position. According to fan theory, a decline to $2.64 will represent the new bottom line of the upcoming trend, though it is too soon to say this with certainty. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -46.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -39.84% and 37.29%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -40.90%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -61.82% to 223.80% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.15 and $26.71. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, High Volatility in SOXL ETF Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $8.25. The SOXL ETF price fell by -9.84% on the last day, Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, from $9.15 to $8.25. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 42.63%, with a day low at $7.60 and a day high of $10.84. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -59.85% for this period. Volume also decreased on the last day along with the ETF, which is considered a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the ETF's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 240 million shares, with a total of 477 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 88.23%, or $61.83, below the 52-week high, and 97.82%, or $369.99, below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Recently, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, has gained attention as it approaches what analysts believe could be a market bottom. The semiconductor sector, which has faced substantial declines due to tariff issues, reduced demand, and intensified competition, is now seen as attractively priced for potential recovery. Key players such as Texas Instruments, NVIDIA, and Broadcom are currently offering low price-to-earnings growth ratios, indicating a healthy opportunity for investors. However, concerns persist that the recent downturn could deepen. Notably, SOXL has experienced a significant reversal, dropping around 62% from its 2024 highs, driven partly by waning excitement in the artificial intelligence sector. Competitive threats from custom graphics processing units produced by companies like Google and Amazon are compressing margins for established firms like NVIDIA, further hampering SOXL. While the current market environment presents risks, it also offers potential for aggressive investors, particularly those looking for short-term trading opportunities. This high volatility could see SOXL whipping around sharply in either direction, impacting stock prices significantly in the short term. In the long term, if semiconductor fundamentals remain strong and the sector begins to recover from its current challenges, there could be considerable upside for SOXL as it is leveraged to amplify returns. For investors, understanding this precarious balance between risk and reward is essential in navigating the dynamics of the semiconductor exchange-traded fund landscape. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is an overarching sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $12.24 and $19.70. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal was activated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 24, 2025. Since then, the fund has declined by 60.71%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a sell signal currently reflected in the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading session, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 77 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal from 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 169 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may face significant declines in the coming days. The ETF is known for its high volatility, with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $3.24 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 42.63%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 31.66%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $8.73. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the exchange-traded fund could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there's currently no stop loss in place. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF currently exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect SOXL to open higher by approximately 647 cents, starting at $8.90. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.